local authority understanding with the fishery department.
TMC candidate for Soyong Assembly constituency, Stoding Star Thaba, said he does not see any sympathy factor working in favor of the UDP in Soyong. He further told reporters that it would have been different if HDR Lingdor's son, Nathaniel Osbert Rimbai, had contested the election. The UDP would have had an edge had Rimbai contested. I do not see any sympathy wave for the late Lingdor's nephew, Sanchar Kupa Roy Lingdor, Thaba, he said. He also slammed the NPP's candidate Malnyang for his remark against church leaders. Thaba said that there could be differences of opinion between politicians and the church leaders, but the use of harsh language against church leaders is uncalled for.
Because last election 2018, Sanchar Roy Kuparthaba, this is he against to him, no? He fights against to him. So it's difficult for sympathy from the people of Soyong. For to win, people will understand. Because they see all these 5 years, what is the governance of this ex-MLA.
Senior BJP MLA and Cabinet Minister